Right, so this is going to be a chicken feeder. So it's a dish at the bottom which has got a mound in the middle and then a dome on the top for putting the grain in. So I'll explain it easier when I've made it. I'm just making a flat plate. Bring that clay back. Make sure you take the water out. So this is just to allow the grain to fall, as it were, to give it a So that just closes up. And just a small lip. So that's the base. So this is the dome to fit onto the dish. Because the clay's been sat here overnight, it needs a bit of a slack to get it waking up. This clay is a bit like, you know, when you walk on the beach in the sand and as you press down with your feet, the sort of sand gets softer and softer. This clay is a little bit like that. So that's about the width I need. So this one's got no base in it because it sits over the dome. In. Remembering to leave enough up the top to form the knot. It's always a good idea to sort your tools out before you start the job. Never mind. Bit. And then one last rib up. So you want a little bit of a belly on it. And then come in. You need enough of a knob to sort of be able to hold it in your hand almost. So this will then have four little holes about that sort of size around the bottom, so the grain will come out of that and into the bowl. So that's a chicken feeder, so that will sit in there.